At Slough Bathrooms and Heating Centre, we have everything in store to create the bathroom of your dreams. From luxurious bathroom suites by leading manufacturers, through to nuts and bolts at our in-house plumbers merchants. We design, supply and install all types of bathrooms, whether your preference is for a traditional or modern design. On display you'll find the latest technology in showers, baths, toilets and designer taps, along with a budget range making a beautiful bathroom affordable for all customers. Our staff are highly trained and knowledgeable. We are more than happy to help, advise and share ideas to achieve the best renovation, layout and design possible to optimise the space. Our bathrooms are easy to install and we offer free local next day delivery. So if you're looking for the perfect bathroom at the best price, then come and visit our showroom today.